educate our youth, where we take ownership over our lives and ownership over our children's education, because parents are a child's first educator. Please remember to subscribe. I am really trying to reach 100 subscribers by Christmas. So help me reach my own Christmas gift by subscribing and sharing the news to your community. Subscription not only means that you're going to come back to this channel, but you also get weekly tips, tricks, and strategies. I upload new content every Sunday and Thursday. We have been reviewing Toys for Toddlers, Black Friday tips and tricks, and even our very own Black Friday sales. So parents, once you get those bomb gifts for your child, guess what you're gonna have to do? Wrap them. So that's what today is all about. We are going to learn how to wrap gifts like professionals. And who better to help us learn how to do this other than my very own mom. She has been wrapping gifts beautifully, as you see here, for over 40 years. So she is going to teach us step by step how to wrap a gift like a professional. Hi,
I'm Mom, and as you can see, I have been wrapping gifts for over 40 years. And each year, I have a different theme. Some years, I have a Christmas tree. Some years, I wrap all the presents like Santa Claus. And this year, it's good old Frosty. So as you can see, this year, it will be Frosty the Snowman. So today, I will be showing you how to wrap gifts in 7 simple steps.
You guys ready? Get out your Christmas supplies.
So step 1, we're going to gather all of our material. As you can see, you will need scissors, tape, your wrapping paper, all of your ribbons, and last but not least, a gift. So of course, step 2 is to secure the present inside the box. As you can see, I have secured this, which means you put tape around the sides. Now, if you have a present and you can hear it, then it needs to be secure. Secure means to put tissue around the gift, or you can even tape it down so that you don't hear anything like that inside. Okay?
What if I have a gift and it's really bulky? What do I do?
Okay, well in that case, if a gift is too bulky, then you just make sure you tape the sides down. Here, let me show you. If it's very bulky, then you'll see it, coming out, like if it's a jacket coming out of the sides, you would just then get tape and tape the sides. Okay? And then if you tape all 4 sides, then it'll be nice and flat. Okay?
That makes sense.
Step 3, we are going to measure and cut the right amount of wrapping paper. Now, as you see, you usually make sure that the sides are a little bit higher than halfway of the gift before you wrap. So what I would do on both sides is make sure that when you cut, it's a little bit over halfway, okay? Okay, so now, once you think you have enough to wrap the gift, we're going to wrap it over to see if you have enough to wrap the complete gift. Once you see that you do, you'll just cut across at that time.
I think we can do this, y'all.
Step 4, we're going to tape the paper down to the box. Make sure you turn the box over so that all the tape and everything will be on the back side. Okay, so we're just going to bring the tape over and just tape down the side just a little bit. And then you're going to fold up a corner of your paper, just like a centimeter or so. And then you will tape it down on the other side. Make sure whatever you do to the left side, you also do to the right side. Okay? So once you have that, you'll see now the only thing that's left are the corners inside of your box. Step 5, we're going to make sure that we crease the edges. So as you see, we go through each side and crease the edges and try to make sure that there's no extra paper or extra loose paper, and make sure it's tight, okay? Step 6, we're going to fold in the sides, the left side and the right side of the box, and we're going to make sure that everything is straight. For instance, right there, you're going to just make sure that it's creased there, and we're going to come in on this side and then like that and go in like that, okay? So you'll have two sides that look like that. Then you will fold in from the bottom. You're going to fold that up, and then you're going to fold that down.
Oh, so you kind of folded it.
Okay? Yes. So you see what that's going to look like? So let me show you that again. You're going to go in on the sides. Make sure everything is creased down. Go in on that side. And then bring the bottom part up.
Bottom up.
And then fold it down and down. And of course, you're going to tape. Now remember, what you do to one side,
You do to the other.
exactly. So here we go on this side. And then you'll see that's the way your gift is. Okay? And now, step 7, time to decorate. Okay, decoration time. All right, now we have done already one side, which has the red ribbon. And now we're going to go with the darker green and put it under there. Then you can just keep adding to make it full. You can either get a bow or get different color ribbon and just keep adding to it to make it full. Since I have a lot of the bows on my other gifts, I'm just going to keep adding the ribbon and decoration to this one. Now, as you see, in order to make our bow a little bigger, we'll just keep adding ribbon. And since I have some of the red and some of the green, then we'll just start adding white at this point. The more you add, the more it starts to fill up. Now that you have your ribbon on your gift, it is time to just do your finishing touch and just put a Santa Claus on your Santa Claus paper. Okay, so we'll just tie the Santa Claus to the ribbon, and that will be your to and from. I'll just tie this in a bow. As you see, I'm tying it in a bow, and sometimes you might need to even put tape on it or so to make sure that it doesn't fall off or doesn't go anywhere. And then once you do that, you'll just see that we have Santa Claus on our Santa Claus wrap. You see how pretty that is?
Like a professional. What did I tell you guys? Thank you so much for helping us out.
Yes.
We now know how to wrap like a professional. Please remember to subscribe. I am really trying to reach 100 subscribers by Christmas. So help me reach my Christmas goal. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a nice Christmas.
Merry Christmas.